about 3 degrees out the back of Lithgow at the moment, and I am bloody freezing. But I don't care because I'm headed up to Cape York. But before I go, I've just got this rig ready and we are literally burning up the highway tomorrow. We've made a bunch of changes. This vehicle has taken me safely right across the continent over the last few seasons, but the changes we've made, they're pretty cool.
The first thing you'll notice is the Zenith bar from ARB with its integrated recovery points and Nacho driving lights.
And she's got a worn winch under there. We've also got a snorkel, which we didn't have the last few seasons, and this is a nice little custom jobby from Apex 4x4 Customs. But the big news, folks, you'll notice that the back end of this vehicle now looks like $1 million. Thankfully, it didn't cost $1 million because this entire color-coded Canopy setup, not including the goodies inside, of course, is actually under around about 25 grand. And the details I'm so keen to show you because they're pretty cool. Firstly, we have central locking to all of the doors. Very, very cool. We've also got these one finger latches. And as this opens and closes, it's just like, it is just so easy to use. A lot of Canopies have the full turn and twist thing. Not too crash hot in my books, but these ones, just listen to that sound when you open and close them. Pretty cool, I reckon. Inside, we have all the goodness in the world. So we've got this great little pull-out pantry with all sorts of little hatches. Still got to do a bit of packing before I go. We have the Engel upright fridge, which, that's right, I've got to pull it down. I'm still getting used to all this sort of stuff. Still got to pack it. Next to that, we have the all-important little benchy from Kegland and with the 50-litre beer keg behind it because, you know, you can get a little bit thirsty out there in the bush. We have the coffee machine, got the compressor, got the audio sorted out here, and this unit is just so, so good and so easy to use with so much space all over the place. Boxes galore. Now, as we swing around the back end, we've got a bit more storage here so we can throw a Jerry in there. And this whole vehicle, it's all one touch stuff. It's just so well done. To me, this looks like a 60,000 plus Canopy. So to have the price of this Canopy with inclusions like this around the 24, 25 grand mark, including the color coding. They actually did the color coding on the doors. And I just find that pretty damn awesome because look at that vehicle. To me, that looks like Christmas, folks. It's so cool. We've got the ladder up the back. This is extendable, so you can just slip your tire in behind that. We're actually running the Pirelli Scorpions this season as well, the All Terrain Plus. Beautiful steering tire. We'll see how it goes off-road, but so far, first impressions have been really awesome. And on top, we've basically got the same thing as we did last season. So I've got the Bushwhacker Penthouse rooftop tent up there, so that's a forward fold. On top of that, we've got our Red Arc solar panel and our exit tracks as well. Around this side, we have more storage, and this is where this really comes into its own, I think. So I've got the fridge on that side, and then we've got our chest angle here. So I'm going to run this one actually as a pure freezer because that really helps for those long runs off-road basically. And we've got our Clearview power slide in here, but just so much storage than I had in the previous incarnation of this vehicle. We've got our hot water system. That's a Duo Etto from OzJ. Big water tank up the front there, and we're powered by two 200 amp hour Red Arc lithium batteries, and the charging system for that is the Alpha 100, which sits underneath the back seat of this vehicle. And tucked underneath this vehicle, I've bumped up the capacity of the long range fuel tank thanks to my mates at Brown Davis, and we're running 230 litres of petrol. It's exceptionally well set up. I will have a few more bits and pieces in here when I've got it stored and ready to go up the highway, but she's very, very close, and I have to say I am really looking forward to touring not just the Cape, but also the Gulf, the Simo, over to Fraser Island this season. So keep an eye on these channels because we've got some cool adventures coming up.